Stomp with the right foot or the left foot. Hello. How are you today? I'm EmRatThich. How do you stomp during a table tennis serve? Which one is the correct way to stomp your feet? How do you stomp? Stomping is what a player does when he hits the ground with his feet, making a thud sound. This thud is made by the player's movement, which makes it impossible for the opponent to hear any other sound. This motion has a long history and has caused major arguments in many matches. Why do table tennis players stomp? Most of the time, people who play table tennis stomp because they want to hide a good serve. The sound a ping pong ball makes can give away how hard it is hitting and how fast it is spinning, which can help the other player. It can confuse the opponent by hiding the noise. Stomping can also be a habit that you don't mean to do. Stomp with the right foot. Some players stomp their feet during the serve to cover up the sound of the racket hitting the ball. The speed and spin of a serve can often be guessed by the sound of the contact. Other players just step on the ground as they try to give the ball spin. Stomp with the left foot. If you are the right-handed player, then you should stomp with the left foot. The right way to stomp is to stomp with the left foot. The professional table tennis players stomp with the left foot. This helps them to rotate the body and to jump to the ready position quicker. Stomp with the left foot will help you to recover and balance quicker after your serve. I have explained in the video of Ma Long's serve routine. See you in the next video.